The keyboard layout that we use every day was designed over 100 years ago, without comfort in mind. But now, people type far more than ever before. Coders, writers, everyone. We all deserve a keyboard designed for the demands of today. Meet Xbose, the mechanical, ergonomic keyboard for a more comfortable typing experience. Xbose cross-linear design angles the key columns inward, allowing for your wrists to sit at their natural angle. This allows you to type for longer without feeling discomfort. By moving the modifier keys into the middle of the keyboard, we reduce the workload on the pinky, our weakest finger, and transfer it to our underutilized thumb. Mechanical keyboard switches add to the experience by providing a more satisfying typing experience. At last, a keyboard that combines comfort and productivity, all in a sleek package.